and I'm going to try. I haven't heard the song in like a few weeks, but I will give it a good go. Okay, this is it, guys. Drop a like. This is Seagulls. Stop It Now by Yoda. I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin. Yeah, that's how it starts. Okay. Rockin', and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. When the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I say, seagulls, stop it now. I'm making a fool of myself. Alan told me not to stroll on that beach. They said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did. And they did. Had me going like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Could do but yell when these birds attack me. When I try to run, I fell. Then these kids start laughing. And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Poor Grogu. Where'd it come from? Run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swan, run, and jump. Now drop, put me down. I like to groove and boogie. Yeah, show you some dance moves. Yeah. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds. Let me get my beater. Stop it, please. You put a fish in a basket. Oh yeah, I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will bite your face. Run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on my hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump. Now breathe. I think, is that over? Oh no, it's not. I thought it was over. I thought I could finish by now. Here we go. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath there was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. What am I doing? Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. When you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls, poke your knees. I didn't realize how crazy this song is. Stop it, please. Put me down. Can I just get a round of applause for that? Because you couldn't